Hello, everybody. My name is Reza Durrani, and I'm participating in the Made It with Power Apps challenge. So, here are my three tips. Tip number one: when you are building a Canvas app, the first question that gets asked is whether you are building this app for a tablet format or for a phone format. The reason why this question is being asked is because Canvas apps are not responsive by design. So it's very important to understand that only model driven apps are responsive by design, but Canvas apps are not. And hence, whenever you build a Canvas app, the first question that gets asked is for which format are you building this app? So that's my first tip. They are not responsive by design. Tip number two: once you build your app, if you go to settings, screen size, and orientation, you can change the dimensions of your app. So for a tablet app, by default, it's 16 by 9. For a mobile app, also has its own dimensions. If you want to change it to any other dimensions, or if you want to put your own custom dimensions, you can come here and make changes. That's my second tip. The third tip that I want to give is that when you start building your app the first time, so if I add my controls, I add my labels, my screens, I build my app from start to finish, one very important thing to note is that you have to save your app at least once in order for the auto save feature to take effect. What is auto save? If you go to account, there is a feature which is turned on by default which automatically saves your apps every 2 minutes. If you do not save your app once, it won't create a major version of your app and the auto save feature does not work. So if I was to start building an app, build plenty of screens, my browser crashes, or I have some other connectivity issues, I will lose all my work. So make sure you save your app at least once in order for autosave to take effect. And going forward, any changes that you make will be saved. Thank you so much for watching this video.